Hello Foxtecc community, today we're diving into a crucial topic. How can you recover your Instagram account if you have forgotten your password, but you also don't have email or basically anything else? So yeah, in this case, if you don't have a phone number or email, you can do something else. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you regain access without a problem. To begin, you need to open up your internet browser and head over to the Instagram website. So you literally open up Safari like this, and you don't go through the app to the Instagram. So you look up instagram.com. So you wait for it to load up. Now look for the login button and click on it. So click on login like this. Now there are a couple of different things that show up, but we are taking a direct route to initiate the recovery process with the simple click. Just go ahead and click on the forgot a password. And now here are a couple of different things. So let me explain to you what that means. Basically, as you of course don't have the password, you don't have the email, and you don't have the phone number. In this case, the only last step that you have access to is the username. So you can type in that username in. So you basically have three options. As you can see, it's not a problem if you don't remember the password, if you don't remember the phone number or email, but you need to remember your username. So once you type in the username, you're going to send the login link, and you will receive the email which is going to be your containing some link which will be used to recover your account. And you can basically receive that email on basically any client, so you can find out which email address is associated with that very specific account. But you need to know at least one of these three things. So in case you don't know the email or phone, you can use the username. This is the point I'm trying to get to you. So that's what I wanted to show you basically. So yeah, you can go through the process and just set it up normally and regain access without any problems. But before we wrap up, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. So you can go ahead and join it down below in the description. There's going to be a link which you can use to get inside, and you can join it for free. And there are many different courses and stuff you can watch, of course, for free, which is exclusive to this platform. So go ahead and check it out. The link is going to be down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you recover your Instagram access seamlessly. So if you found this video helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing to Foxtecc for more educational content. Thanks a lot. See you guys later.